Whether you're building a gaming rig or just upgrading your current setup, choosing the right PC case fan can make a world of difference in cooling and noise levels. In this video, we're looking at the top 5 140mm case fans on the market. We'll break down each fan's key features, usability, and durability to help you make the best choice for your PC build. Let's dive in and see what these fans have to offer. Kicking off our list at number 1, BeQuiet SilentWings 3. The BeQuiet SilentWings 3 is designed for those who prioritize a quiet PC environment without sacrificing cooling efficiency. Known for its ultra-quiet operation, this fan is ideal for noise-sensitive setups while still delivering effective airflow for high-performance cooling. Key features: the SilentWings 3 features a unique 6-pole motor that reduces vibrations, which significantly lowers noise levels. It's also equipped with fluid dynamic bearings for a smooth, long-lasting operation. The fan blades are optimized to create strong airflow while minimizing turbulence. With a maximum RPM of 1000, it provides a good balance between airflow and noise control. Benefits and usage: perfect for both gaming PCs and quiet workstations, the SilentWings 3 provides steady cooling while maintaining a whisper-quiet operation. Its innovative blade design maximizes airflow, making it suitable for setups where you want cooling without intrusive noise. It's a solid choice for those who need an efficient yet quiet solution for daily use or even in high-load situations. Usability: this fan includes removable anti-vibration mounts, making it easy to install with minimal noise. The SilentWings 3 is compatible with most standard PC cases, offering versatility for various setups. Its design also makes it easy to clean, ensuring optimal performance over time. Durability: with high-quality fluid dynamic bearings and a motor designed to reduce wear, this fan is built for longevity. The sturdy construction and advanced motor technology make it one of the most durable options in its class, ensuring consistent performance for years. In the second spot, we have Arctic P14 PWM. The Arctic P14 PWM is an affordable yet highly efficient 140mm fan known for its great performance-to-cost ratio. This fan is designed to provide excellent airflow while remaining budget-friendly, making it ideal for anyone looking to upgrade their cooling setup without breaking the bank. Key features: the P14 PWM offers PWM control, allowing you to adjust the fan's speed to match your cooling needs, with a maximum RPM of 1700. It's equipped with an optimized blade design that improves airflow and static pressure, making it effective for use on radiators as well as for case ventilation. The fan also features a fluid dynamic bearing, which improves durability and reduces noise. Benefits and usage: this fan's high airflow and static pressure make it a great choice for versatile cooling setups, whether as a case fan or paired with a radiator. The PWM control allows users to balance performance and noise, making it suitable for both high-performance and quiet setups. It's an ideal solution for gamers and multitaskers who need efficient cooling. Usability: the Arctic P14 PWM is simple to install, thanks to its standard 4-pin connector and lightweight design. Its quiet operation at low speeds makes it convenient for use in any room without causing disruptions. The PWM control feature also allows users to customize their cooling preferences, enhancing overall usability. Durability: designed with high-quality bearings, the P14 PWM offers a long lifespan. The fan's components are crafted to withstand extended use, and its fluid dynamic bearing adds to its durability by reducing wear and tear. Overall, it's a highly durable fan that performs reliably over time, especially at its price point. Coming in at number 3 is the Thermaltake Ring 14 RGB. The Thermaltake Ring 14 RGB fan is a visually striking 140mm fan designed for those who want both performance and aesthetics. Featuring vibrant RGB lighting, this fan is ideal for gamers and PC enthusiasts looking to add some style to their setups while ensuring effective cooling. Key features: this fan comes with 256-color RGB lighting, which can be customized with Thermaltake software. It also has hydraulic bearings for quieter and smoother operation, and a maximum RPM of 1500. The fan's high static pressure design makes it effective for use on radiators, enhancing cooling efficiency for high-performance systems. Benefits and usage. The Riing 14 RGB is designed for gamers and anyone who wants their setup to stand out. Its strong cooling capacity combined with eye-catching RGB lighting makes it perfect for showcasing gaming rigs. The fan's customizable lighting can be synchronized with other RGB components, creating a unified look in your PC case. Usability. The fan is easy to install and compatible with a range of cases. Thermaltake software allows users to adjust lighting and control fan speed, offering both aesthetic and functional customization. Its hydraulic bearings and anti-vibration mounts enhance usability by reducing noise during operation. Durability. Built with high-quality materials and hydraulic bearings, the Riing 14 RGB is designed for durability. The fan's construction can handle the demands of high-performance systems, and the hydraulic bearings ensure it operates smoothly over time. Its durability is matched by the strong aesthetic appeal, making it a solid investment for PC enthusiasts. Taking our fourth spot is Cooler MasterFan Pro 140. The Cooler MasterFan Pro 140 is a versatile case fan built for powerful cooling performance with minimal noise. This fan is part of Cooler Master's Pro line, designed to adapt to different usage scenarios from gaming to silent operations, making it a favorite among PC builders. Key features. Equipped with Cooler Master's Silent Driver IC, the MasterFan Pro 140 reduces fan noise without compromising on airflow. It features 3 fan modes, silent, quiet, and performance, that allow users to customize airflow according to their needs. The fan's hybrid blade design balances air pressure and airflow, making it suitable for a variety of setups. Benefits and usage. This fan is ideal for users who want the flexibility to switch between quiet operation and high-performance cooling. The 3 modes make it adaptable for various scenarios, whether you're gaming, streaming, or just browsing. Its hybrid blade design is effective for both radiator and case cooling, making it a versatile choice for multi-purpose systems. Usability. The fan's installation is straightforward, and its compatibility with PWM control allows for precise fan speed adjustments. Cooler Master's Silent Driver IC ensures that the fan remains quiet, even at higher speeds, providing a comfortable user experience in any environment. Durability. The MasterFan Pro 140 is built with high-quality materials, ensuring longevity even under high load. Its advanced motor design minimizes wear and tear, and the hybrid blade design maintains structural integrity over time. This fan is engineered to handle continuous use, making it a reliable option for gamers and content creators alike. And finally, at number 5, we have NZXT ARP140. The NZXT ARP140 is a high-performance 140mm fan designed specifically for radiator cooling. Known for its superior static pressure, this fan is optimized to work efficiently with liquid cooling setups, making it a great choice for gamers and power users focused on advanced cooling. Key features. The ARP140 features winglet-tip blades, which are crafted to maximize static pressure, making it perfect for use with radiators. It has a long-lasting fluid dynamic bearing, ensuring smooth operation and durability. With a maximum RPM of 1,800, it's built for intense cooling demands. The fan is also compatible with NZXT's Hue Plus 4 users who want RGB lighting. Benefits and usage. This fan is tailored for those who need efficient cooling in high-performance systems. Its winglet-tip blades are designed to reduce drag, increasing airflow to keep systems cool under heavy loads. It's ideal for gaming rigs and workstations where maintaining low temperatures is essential for stable performance. Usability. Easy to install, the ARP140 connects seamlessly with NZXT's Hue Plus 4 RGB customization, allowing for a personalized look in your PC case. The fluid dynamic bearings enhance smooth, quiet operation, while the fan's high RPM capability ensures maximum cooling when needed, making it both user-friendly and effective. Durability. Built with durable materials and fluid dynamic bearings, the ARP140 is engineered to last. The fan's construction allows it to handle the demands of powerful cooling setups, providing consistent performance over time. With a reliable build and innovative design, it's a long-lasting choice for users who demand high-quality cooling. Choosing the right 140mm fan for your PC case can make a big difference in keeping your system cool and quiet. Each of these top 5 fans has unique features to meet different needs, from RGB lighting and high static pressure to ultra-quiet operation. Be sure to choose the fan that best fits your setup and cooling needs. Thanks for watching, and if this guide helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Stay tuned for more tech reviews and happy cooling.